How to create outline text effect in Photoshop. First, we will press Ctrl+J to duplicate the image. Then use the Quick Selection tool to select the object. After that, click on Add Layer Mask. Next, take the Text tool, type the text. And select the color of the text. Then duplicate the text layer and place the duplicate layer below the second layer. Set the fill of the first text layer to 0. Set the stroke to 8. And position the outline inside. Choose white for the outline color. Afterward, select both the first and second text layers and link them. Finally, position the text and adjust the main image slightly. Our outline text effect is ready.